I like money. Money rules the world, and I believe it. I never plan to spend the rest of my life without money. Money is so much important that 98% of our problem can be solved with money. Talk of cars, houses, and even a happy family life can only happen when money is involved. Money is the root of all evil, but without money people can be evil. I love flashy things, expensive things, and a luxury life. I can never afford to be poor. Money is everything.
I so much believe that everyone has his own belief, ideas, principles, and perspectives as to how life is. That's my strong conviction. But in my own perspective, I believe that everything has to do with your health. He must first consider his health, he that is wise. That was once said by a great man. Health is everything. If you lose your money, well, I might sympathize with you and tell you go and find another since you are wealthy and healthy. If you lose your job, well, you can still get another one. There's hope. But I tell you the truth, if you lose your health, I might be very sorry to say you have lost everything. Because someone said health is wealth, and I agree with him. Every priorities and achievements are accomplished with health. That's my strong conviction. In a graveyard, you don't recognize a literate or an illiterate person.
Hey,
Or a poor,
this is not
ruler
normal.
or a follower.
Why would this be happening to me at this time of the time? Oh, I can't even find a beautiful girl for myself. That's not fair. That's not fair. I need to have a very beautiful lady, a slave queen, a lady I would love, a lady that would take good care of me. But what am I seeing? What am I having? No. Oh Lord, bless me with fine girls, very fine lady. I can't believe that these days all my friends are having beautiful girlfriends, but me, I can't even secure one for myself. This is not normal. This must be spiritual attack. Oh God, save me, Lord. Oh God, I know that this is not normal. Lord, bless me with a lady that have fine shape, fine figure eights. When her back they attract. When she go they work out. Oh Lord, help me, Lord. Oh, help me, Lord.
As you have seen in our video, where Mr. A is talking of wealth, he thinks when he has money, he thinks he has everything. He can travel all over the world, he can build a house, and he can buy cars, and he can also look for a servant that can take care of him. He thinks he has it all. And also Mr. B is talking of health. Yeah, all things, you can't do all things without having good health. There are other peoples in the hospital lying on the sick beds, and there are other peoples at home, and there are other people still going with it in their body. But they still need the health in order to move on with their day-to-day activities. And also Mr. C is talking about woman. When he has a beautiful woman that can take care of him, he thinks when he have them, he's happy. Almost time. So, but I'm here to conclude with this. All of them need one another in order to have a life to move straight forward. Because if you have a woman, well, you don't have wealth, you don't have money. There's no way you can take care of her. Because when you don't have money, I don't think you have beautiful women. And when we talk of health, there are some of your perspective and some of your achievement that you can't achieve them if you don't have a good health. Then when we talk of the person that is talking of money, you can have money and you think you have it all, but when you don't have health, you don't have it all. But I'm here to conclude with this. Be contented with the situation you have or you find yourself in, so that you can have all things in life move straight forward, and also to achieve some of your goals and some of your priorities. So thank you for watching, viewers. Please don't Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. See you in our next video. Thank you.